All right, today is the day.
I'm on my own, broken
Hey everyone, welcome to the Electric Supercar channel. This week we're going to do something a little different. We're going to talk about what I did this summer. Let's get to it. So for some of the longtime viewers, they will know I had a dog that passed away a little over a year ago. I am a dog lover, and I feel that man's best friend is not quite an adequate description. They are amazing animals, just the unconditional love and loyalty. I just love dogs. We ended up getting another dog. We had actually been putting this off because there was nobody at home to look after a young dog. With me now not having a job, we took this opportunity to get a puppy. So meet Finley. We call him Finn. He is a golden retriever. He sleeps a lot, in a lot of weird locations, and a lot of weird positions. We are trying to teach him to play fetch, but he has a hair trigger when it comes to potty. And he will go potty anywhere, for any reason, without warning.
And he got distracted. Oh!
The family really loves playing with him. And we're so happy to have him. You will likely see him in many episodes to come. I'm still teaching him to fetch a 10mm wrench. He has tons of energy.
Finn is doing some weeding.
And sometimes he's a little crazy.
Hey, what you doing?
Still working on coordination. Puppies and racing, both in the same episode. This should be a good one. So earlier this summer, Hypercraft invited me out to the Utah Motorsports campus to check out their electric-powered Sierra car. This was a special occasion in which Lucy Block, the wife of the late Ken Block, was doing a shakedown of this car. This is the same car that she would later drive on the Pikes Peak Hill Climb. The Pikes Peak Hill Climb is pretty famous, but for those of you who don't know, the track measures 12.42 miles and has over 156 turns, climbing to an elevation of 14,115 feet, or 4,302 meters. Grades averaging about 7.2% incline. So we gotta watch her do several laps. They also invited us to do some laps with the Sierra car. So it was really cool to be a part of this. I also took an opportunity in Colorado to attend the State of Charge. This is an electric vehicle builders conference. They actually asked me to speak.
Our next guest for our behind the build session is going to be Jeremy Stowe.
They had lots of car shows that we were able to do. Got to check out a lot of cool cars. And we even set up some autocross racing. I got to take a lot of people out for a ride along. You can check out their reactions.
This thing is so quick in a straight line. Well, even through the cones. There you go. That was awesome.
Okay, this is the fastest by far.
Wow. This thing accelerates hard.
This thing's a bullet. Holy crap, man. This is a supercar. This thing rips. Like you were feathering the throttle, and then towards the end of the straight, you like started going hammer down, and it really picked up. Unmatched.
All in all, really cool to meet a lot of people with the same mindset doing the same thing. Next, we have a word from our sponsor, and as you recall, sponsors are very important to this channel, so pay close attention.
Today we've got the 4K HDR 70mm A810 HDR dashcam set.
This is the first ever HDR 4K front and HDR rear recording camera set. So today I'm going to install it on my daily driver. Alright, it's got a red light on the bottom. This is actually a good display. Go ahead and take off the sticker. So it's working. Alright, I've got about an hour before I need to leave somewhere, so we're going to see if this can be done in under an hour. While you're watching me install this dashcam, let me tell you a little bit about the features. The 70mm A810 is powered by the Sony Starvis 2 image sensor. It packs more pixels and greater clarity, especially in low light environments. This further optimizes the footage quality in terms of exposure, balance, color accuracy, and stability. It also has 70mm night owl vision. The large aperture pulls in more light to ensure image quality in the dark. It also has Smart Guardian Guard mode, which is powered by AI motion detection and collision detection. So it's got a built-in G sensor that detects unusual forces during parking and also activates recording when shakes or collisions are detected.
Time. 38 minutes. Alright, it's going to be kind of hard because it's dark in the car. But so I've got my dash cam kind of right behind my rearview mirror. That's how I like it. I've got the cables going up here and then basically just tuck them along there, all the way there. So it's basically invisible wiring. I think they did a pretty good job. So we'll go ahead and take it for a ride, see what the video quality is. So here are some images that I shot during the day. So this unit also has self-developed IQ turning strategy. IQ turning enhances the clarity of license plate areas. While you're watching some of this amazing footage, let me tell you a little bit more about this camera set. The system also has exclusive MyColor Vivid image technology. Dynamic range has increased by 2.5 times, and sensitivity has increased 4.5 times. Power consumption has reduced by 30%. So the owl night vision
f1.8 large aperture pulls in more light to ensure well-illuminated recordings in the dark. I'm a sucker for dash cams. I really love the videos and content you can find on the internet, and I feel like it's also just an element of safety and security. If you're interested in a dash cam, this one's a great value, and I'll leave a link in the description below. One of the other things I was able to do was ride in a parade. This was a 4th of July parade, and it's not a big city parade, but one that you can find pretty much anywhere in America. So there were parade floats as well as cars that would drive by, and this is the type of parade where you'd throw them candy. Pretty cool experience. Got lots of looks and lots of compliments.
Dave, look, it's the pizza.
I also was asked to do a magazine photo shoot. This is from EV Builder's Guide magazine. I won't be able to share all the pictures with you yet as the magazine is not yet released. But here are some of the behind the scenes photos.
I'm Jeremy, this is Watson. Let me tell you a little bit about my electric supercar.
Supercar Blondie also reached out to me for an interview. This was on their Facebook page. So I got to introduce myself, the car, the whole build process, shoot some extra footage including some driving shots, which everybody likes. Also, Jay Jarvie visited me from the channel Builder Creator. I actually found his channel before he was even at 1,000 subscribers. At that time, I was also under 1,000 subscribers. We were doing very similar things, and that's where our channels first started to grow. He's been doing great things ever since. So if you haven't seen any of his stuff, go check out his channel.
All right, today is the day, and we are here at the Electric Supercar Garage, looking over the past projects and the new projects over here. Anyway, connection of the builders here. Anybody building a supercar ought to be connected with this channel as well. So,
All right, thanks, Jay.
That's what I did this summer. What did you do this summer? Leave a note in the comments. Also, if you'd like a little closer connection, I do have a Patreon account. I'll leave a link in the description below. See you next time.